hi, good morning. Great to have you. Thanks for joining in today. Wanted to understand how you're looking at Titan's move. I mean, it clearly enhances their reach, right?
You see, Titan already, good morning. Titan already had 71% stake in CaratLane. So technically, CaratLane was a subsidiary of Titan. Now, as was expected, Titan gradually had intention to increase the stake to, say, 100% and make it a fully owned subsidiary. And this move, I think, will give them more operational freedom, and they can now, you can say, decide more on the future of the CaratLane and their, you can say, policies and the way they want to, you can say, take this company forward. But from the, I would say, P&L and balance sheet point of view, I think it is not going to be anything which is significantly accretive in the near term.
Amnish, one of the reasons why Titan has always commanded this premium is because it's been a high return and zero debt company. But because of this acquisition, they will have to acquire debt. Do you think in the near term that could lead to earnings downgrade? It could be temporary, but automatically it will happen.
Okay. So as per our calculation, I think on 31st of March, they were having, say, investments, cash and all to the extent of, say, 2,500, 3,000 crores. So I don't rule out that Titan might be required to take a debt of, say, a couple of thousand crores initially. But given the fact that Titan is having fairly strong, you can say, profitability, and we are expecting Titan to generate a profit of more than 8,000 crores over the coming 2 years. So I think even if debt comes on the balance sheet of Titan, I think it will be a very, very temporary phenomena. And maybe in another year or so, the debt will be off the balance sheet of the company. So in the near term, yes, there could be an EPS impact. Purely if you look at the standalone numbers of, say, anywhere ranging from 1.5% to 3%. However, it doesn't, you can say, change the SOTP targets because now you will be taking, consolidating 98% for CaratLane.
With the potential upside for CaratLane, I mean, it's almost like a 3,000 crore brand now. What potentially it could be now that Titan is the majority owner?
See, Nikunj, as I stated, that it opens a lot of opportunity and gives complete freedom to the management of Titan to explore, you can say, various options with regards to leveraging the distribution, brand, and other things. CaratLane is a very strong omni-channel brand, more so in the lightweight jewelry. You can say in the studded jewelry, which is usually the one which lot of, you can say, the younger generation prefers. So in terms of growth, I think the opportunities are immense. I don't rule out that over the next 3 years, the company doubles the top lines from here and also improves the profitability. However, more details we will come to know as we go along, and it depends how you can say, the company integrates the operations further.
Your price target both on the upside or on the downside because of this additional stake buyout by Titan. Can I infer that?
You see, the upside in terms of, say, earlier we were factoring in, say, around 75 rupees per share for CaratLane. So that amount is going to go up, maybe, say, 125, 130 rupees or so. So in terms of upside, in the overall SOTP of the company, it might add, say, 50, 60 rupees, not beyond that. In terms of downside, I don't see any major downside coming to Titan because of this acquisition.
Just wanted to get in your thoughts on the overall valuations as well at about 16,900 odd crores for CaratLane. Do you think that that's a fair price for a long-term perspective, given the fact that you are seeing faster growth and it is already profitable?
You see, if you look at the near term, then one can infer that it looks expensive because for 27% stake, 4,600 is it's not cheaper by any stretch of imagination. But having said that, Titan has been virtually running the company from quite some time. That is one. The second thing is that this amount includes a lot of control premium which they would have paid to the erstwhile promoters to get their entire stake. And usually that is why this amount which has been paid, which can be looked at primarily from the viewpoint of, say, if you look at EV by sales or any other parameter. And I think the way this company has been growing, if you look at, say, next 3 to 5 years viewpoint, then at that point of time, it might not
Thank you, Amnish, for joining in and sharing with us your outlook and thoughts on the future of the business, what the acquisition means, and the outlook for Titan as a stock as well.